Hi guys, I'm WaterC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a sterling 60mm 6-pin padlock. Not sure if you can make that out, but there's the sort of pin marks across there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No working key. I've just got in from work, so I thought I'd do a quick video. It was from Rick Wales on our UK Lock Sport forum. No working key, so it is locked up. I think it's seen a bit of weather also. There's bits of sort of rust everywhere around that edge. Must be where the shackles sort of started to go, or the hinge inside, I'm not sure. There was quite a bit of dirt inside this, so I just gave a quick zap of WD-40. I'll start at the back, work to the front, and it does drop into a little bit of a false set there on pin 1 as I get to that, but I need to start off with sort of heavyish tension and just sort of look for the binding pins inside. It can be hit and miss because I think there's still quite a bit of dirt in there. So to the back and tension on. Just dropped over. Drops over a little bit more now. That's picked. Does go quicker than that, as you can see there. And hopefully where the shackle is, there is some rust. So that does jam it up a little bit. That's a sterling 60mm padlock, single pin picked. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.